haunted by my memories, spending time at the old apartment, thinking of how things used to be. The wave that we rode in crashed in slow motion. We found the time slipped through our hands. Nothing else to do. I couldn't save you. Maybe I should just save myself. Our love was a supernova, couple of fools rushing in. Tried to fly